Commencing with the greatest name of Allah, who is Ar-Rahman, who is Ar-Rahim, who was, who is, who will. Today, the topic which I am going to tell you that is about what is history. What is history? History, simply, what is history? History is consists of fact. What fact? That is obtained by, that is written by the writers, the great philosophers, the great thinkers. In the whole period of the ancient time, the before civilization, the people don't know uh, the people don't know the uh, writing. The people don't know because they are illiterate. Because they are illiterate, they don't know the writing. They don't know the what we call the relations or international relations. Even they don't know the name of only simply the fruits, only the name of one that is potato, that is tomato. So in history, the knowledge which is consists of fact. The knowledge consists of fact. The only definition, that is the knowledge which is consists of fact. Before, if we look the example of the French Revolution, the Napoleon, who was soldier, and he had work and he had worked hard, and become the colonel and have a highest rank in the army. And after the rank, after rank, he had in the courage. Enforced. He had enforced, and he had ruled on region. So in the French Revolution, the people stand against their ruler, against their king. Why they stand? Why they why they stand against their ruler? Because the ruler or the king, the king, because the king have produced a large taxes. You have consist they produce, they attempt they apply the large taxes for the people of the for France, people of the France. So the Napoleon, there's the revolution of the revolution from France revolution, or it is the revolution history. There's a big history. And another example of how the Pakistan came into being, how the writers, I am on simply tell you about history which is consist of fact. Simply the definition of history is consist of fact. Here we have a different kinds of teachers. They tell about the knowledge, the observation, the knowledge which is obtained by observation is called history. While the student have worried about how the teacher say that the history, that is the knowledge which is obtained by observation. There is a big problem even in the I have seen this problem in our the classes, our classes, and the people, the student don't, they are still confused. But I'm trying to view your confusion about history. So history is basically the relation between the countries, the relation between the countries. I'm going to tell you in Urdu more for understanding. That is, हिस्ट्री जो है हमारे पास पुराने वक्तों की, पुराने तारीखों की, पुराने बहादुरों की हमें विक्ट्री बताती है, और ये जो है मुकम्मल हकीकत पर मबनी है। हिस्ट्री जो है हमारे पास डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हिस्ट्री आती है, जिसमें हम लोग एक पढ़ सकते हैं कि बंदा पैदा कैसे हुआ, बंदा इस ज़मीन पे इसने कदम कैसे रखे, कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गया, कैसे पहुँचा, ज़िंदगी की दौरानी कैसे गुजरी। हिस्ट्री जो हमें बताती है कि जब आप लोग तो जानते ही होंगे कि बिफोर द जब हमारी मुल्क जो है वो बनने से पहले हम लोग जो थे बरसग़ीर में थे, बरसग़ीर में थे। जब सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान ने स्टैंड आउट किया, उन्होंने एक वर्कआउट किया तो अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिश, अगेंस्ट ये जो है उनके अपोनेंट हो गए, पार्टीज़ के अपोनेंट हो गए, तो उन्होंने एक वर्क किया जैसे कि काइंडली कायद अज़म जो भी हैं उन्होंने भी शमूलियत कर ली और एक मुस्लिम लीग की जो पार्टी बन गई थी। देन हमारा मुल्क पाकिस्तान जो है वो वजूद में है। सो द क्राइटेरिया, द पेनोमिना विच इज़ जो वहाँ से एक हिस्ट्री से चल रही है ये 1947 तक, फिर 1947 से लेकर आज की डेट तक 2021 तक, इनके दरमियान में जो ये ईयर्स है, जो ये साल जो गुज़र रहे हैं, इनको पढ़ना, इनकी तफसील लेना, इनके बारे में जांच पड़ताल करना, ये हमारे पास क्या कहलाता है, ये हिस्ट्री कहलाता है। उम्मीद है आपको समझ आए होगी बहुत। एंड इंशाल्लाह अगली वीडियो मुलाकात होगी। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।